Welcome to the Designfusion Solid Edge blog. This release is part 2 in the two-part series on advanced sketch commands and tools. In this blog, you will be introduced to the Solid Edge Sketch Tear-Off command in the ordered paradigm, the Copy Sketch command in the ordered paradigm, how to copy and paste the sketch in the synchronous paradigm, and the Wrap Sketch command. The Sketch Tear-Off command is available in the ordered paradigm. This allows you to transfer or copy sketches from one plane onto another. It quickly creates new cross-sections by rapidly replicating sketches for use in swept and lofted protrusions. It creates new sketches which can be parallel or perpendicular, along curves, angular, associative, copied, or moved. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. Notice that I've already created a sketch in the ordered paradigm. I'll select the Tear-Off Sketch command from the menu beneath the Sketch command. If you follow the prompt, you're instructed to pick a face or plane that you want to place the sketch onto. Before you select the sketch, you can click on the options to select how you wish to move the sketch. The default is an associative copy. You can also choose a non-associative copy, or you can just move the elements. Then you select the sketch, accept it, and click Finish. In this example, we've created an associative copy. Let's repeat this command using the plane at the other side of the sketch. This time, we'll make this a non-associative copy. We'll select the sketch that we wish to copy, and now we've created 3 sketches, ideal for creating a swept or lofted protrusion. To demonstrate the associativity, let's edit the first sketch and we'll change the diameter to 25. Notice that only the associative copy updated as expected. Remaining in the ordered paradigm, we have the Copy Sketch command. You can use the Copy Sketch command to copy a sketch in the active assembly to a part or subassembly within the active assembly. You can copy a sketch from a part or subassembly within the active assembly to the active assembly, or you can copy a sketch from a part or subassembly within the active assembly to another part or subassembly within the active assembly. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. In this demo, I've created an empty part that I'll use to create a gasket. I have also created a sketch in this part representing the edges of the part which I will use to create the gasket. I want to copy this sketch from this part into the gasket part. To do this, I first edit into the part that contains the sketch. You can see the sketch here that I've already created, which outlines the shape of the part. I can either right-click on the sketch and select Copy Sketch, or I can select Copy from the command bar under the Sketch command. When I select the Copy Sketch command, this dialog appears and I need to tell the system that I want to copy this sketch into the gasket part. I'll leave the Link to File option checked, click OK, and then close and return back to the assembly. Now I'll in-place activate into the gasket part, and you can see that the sketch has been copied. Notice the little chain icon in the Pathfinder indicating that it is linked. In this case, I did the third option listed in the previous slide, where I copied from a part in the assembly to another part in the assembly. If you wish to copy a sketch in the synchronous paradigm, you can do so using this method. We do teach this in the synchronous course, but if you've forgotten, this is just a reminder. If you haven't taken the synchronous course, hopefully this will lead you in that direction. The first step is to go into the Pathfinder and expand the Sketches collection. Position the cursor over the sketch name that you want to copy. This will highlight the sketch in the graphics window. Then you right-click the sketch name and choose Copy. The sketch is copied to the clipboard. You can also select the sketch from the graphics window and use hotkeys to launch the copy command. Once you have copied or cut the sketch or sketch elements, you can paste the copy into another part. To do this, you open the new part and click the Paste command. You can also hit Ctrl-V or right-click and choose Paste from the shortcut menu. This will take the clipboard sketch or sketch elements and attach it to your cursor. Hover over the face or plane you want to place the sketch on and hit F3 to lock to that face or plane. Then place the sketch in the desired position. You can use the steering wheel or other methods for precise positioning. Let's have a look at this in Solid Edge. Here I have a synchronous sheet metal part that has a little cutout pattern. I want to reuse this in another part. If you've used synchronous, you'll know that once you create the cutout, the sketches get moved into the Use Sketches group under the Use Sketches header. I can't copy a Use sketch, but what I can do is right-click on the Use sketch and select Restore. This restores it to the Sketches group. From there, I can right-click on it and select Copy. I can also click on the Copy command from the clipboard group. Once I've copied it, I open my other part. In the other part, I select the Paste command. Notice that the copied sketch is attached to my cursor. I place this over the desired face and hit F3 to lock it to this face. I can then position it on the locked face. I'll just place it here. I could use the steering wheel or dimensions for precise positioning if needed. I can then use this copied sketch to create a feature. Solid Edge provides you the ability to wrap sketches. The Wrap Sketch command is found on the Surfacing tab. This command wraps sketch elements around one or more surfaces. You can select individual sketch elements, a chain of sketch elements, or the entire sketch. The wrapped elements are associative to the original sketch elements. The one caveat here is that the sketch plane must be tangent to one of the input surfaces. For example, the image shows reference plane tangency to a cylinder and cone. Once you've wrapped the sketch, you can then use the normal protrusion or normal cutout commands to create desired features. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. Here I want to engrave a die number on the side of this cylindrical protrusion. I'll first create a sketch on a tangential plane. I'll position the plane and control its orientation. Next, I'll use the Text Profile command to enter the die number. I'll enter the desired die number and position it on the tangential plane. I'll then close and complete the sketch command. Next, I go to the Surfacing tab and select the Wrap Sketch command found under the Project command in the Curves group. I'm prompted to select the face to wrap around. I accept this and then select the sketch that I want to wrap. I accept this and hit Finish. When I hide the sketch, you'll notice that the wrap sketch resides on the cylindrical face. I could now use the normal cutout command to engrave this into the cylinder if so desired. Want to learn more? Sign up to our customer portal at the link shown here, where you have access to knowledge-based articles, tips and tricks, how-to articles, and much more. If you need additional support, contact our support team at support@designfusion.com or call us at 1-877-215-1883.